a APA vlog. What's up guys, Shaky here back with another video. This is an extremely weird camera angle. APA vlog. APA marching band vlog.
Ha!
Okay, so we in the APA marching band, you know. I'm the bass player, boy. We gotta set up in 90-degree weather and get ready to do marching band practice for an hour. Yeah, 90-degree weather in Anderson. This is some crazy weather. But this image stabilization is pretty lit. You gotta admit. Oh, got a bit shaky there. But this is some nice image stabilization. Alright, I'm gonna set up. Okay, yeah, so here's the stadium. You probably can't see it because of the sun. Here's some chimes, marimba, bass amp, cables. I have to get power to my bass amp. And guess where the outlet is? Guess where the freaking outlet is? It's right here. Under the stadium. Right there. So I have to run power from there out to here to power a keyboard amp, a bass, and a bass amp. Well, the bass doesn't really need power, so yeah, let's try to get that figured out. This is how you trigger people. Do it again.
Okay, wait, when it's hot, when you do it.
Trigger people.
Where's my case?
Cassie, what's going on?
You die by the razor blades. What the fuck?
No, they're about to land a helicopter in our field as we're band practicing. As we're band practicing, the fire department's about to land a helicopter.
You're vlogging really loudly.
Oh my god, like when you vlog so loudly, am I right?
Oh my god. Well, I'm about to have to, like, mute my mic so it doesn't blow up my mic.
Air conditioning.
Yes, we get air conditioning in 95-degree weather.
Oh, it's gonna be so nice.
We get...
Wrong reason. Somebody's hurt.
No one cares. Can I get hurt?
Oh my god.
Can you dive a helicopter?
Yes,
Just,
go
like,
stand under the blades.
Like jump up on the blades. Like just like try to slam dunk on the blades.
Rough Rabbit face reveal.
Oh my god. Do a Tremazzi Studios face reveal.
Tremazzi Studios face reveal, motherfuckers.
That laugh though.
Where is it though?
You said 5 minutes, stupid.
Where is it?
Wait, why is it landing here?
Oh, because it's the biggest
this
space.
is the biggest field.
But why?
Biggest open field to get closest to.
Again, why here?
Hot. I don't want to.
Philip, don't get on the field.
Get off the field!
Okay. I want me to run over there.
Do we have friends that I can have friends too? Wait, what? Does that make any sense? Hunter, I love you.
Okay.
Stop kidding yourself, Cassie. It's freaking hot.
Hey Manny, did you say what time it's coming?
Yeah, in about 5 minutes.
You said that the last 5 minutes. Oh, watch it not come at all. No.
I mean, it's wasting like 10 minutes, 20 minutes. Especially how long it's probably going to be here, and then it's going to take off. Maybe 20? Yeah, so you just have to go home a bit early. Hi. Sir, you think it'll knock over some of those instruments up there?
It'll knock out those field markers.
Hunter.
Not the helicopter, right there.
Yeah, I know. Where's it going away? Are you trying to commit suicide or something?
I wish I did. Did you die and fall over there? I don't know. Just spike yourself with a couple of these. Try to jump the fence, you'll get spiked.
I'll do that. Can that kill myself? Like,
If it stabs you, like in your heart.
if you climb up to that and fall, then you kill yourself.
What, the stadium lights?
Yeah.
Yeah, probably. It'd probably break it.
Probably just break your legs.
Look and kill me so fast
Jump off
that I won't even move.
Wait, is the airplane not gonna land here?
I don't know.
It's just like left.
He's still here, so maybe it will. I don't know.
I love crackle, bro. You know what?
Die.
Don't say it, bro.
Dismiss. Get this stuff out of here and stay on the track. Go. Hurry up.
How do I
Okay, so band practice is after school, if you didn't know. Sorry, there's a lot of kids yelling. Yeah, so I guess somebody fell off of a 6-story building.
3.
I thought it was 6.
I heard 3. Daniel, let's go. I'm here.
So yeah, band was canceled, guys. APA is what this school is. I think it's 6. I was told by the fireman 6, so I'm going by that. I'm getting some water, and a lot of you people, crazy people, in my APA weight room video loved me getting water, so boom. Yeah, so APA. Yeah.
Is this
Hey.
going on your channel?
Yeah, you get a shout out.
Subscribe to DXMproductions. I'm going to be doing short films. If you guys saw the Holocaust short film, that was bad, but that's one that I produced.
Yeah,
Anyway,
we
I'm doing
edited
more.
it.
I'm doing more, and I also do prop tutorials and stuff like that. So check me out.
So-
YouTube.com/DMjet.
So
Put that
Dixon,
Put that in the editing.
Yeah, I will. So when we shot Horrific, what we did was we had to edit it in language arts class because it was a language arts English.
We had way more footage, and we also had a deadline. He moved it up one day, and we had one more day of shooting that we didn't get to. So that's why it's kind of like choppy and jumps around with the plot. We also had a script, but I forgot that at home, so.
It was kind of just a thing to get
It
points.
was just kind of go wild. Do what we could.
Yeah. Hey, Garrett. Shoot, this image stabilization's not working out that well now.
What?
So, what are your thoughts on?
What are your thoughts on what happened today?
He said death.
So what I'm thinking is they didn't accidentally fall off that roof.
I think they jumped on.
Hold up, let me set my exposures here. Okay.
Hey, do you want that video? I have it landing.
What video?
The video of the helicopter landing. If you want it.
Yeah, send it to me.
You'll
Because
put it in the
Mr.
edit.
King was like, do you want people recording you if you fall off of a roof? I'm like, no, but this is freaking
not like
epic.
They didn't land in the football field though. They landed in the road right.
Yeah,
between
they
the
had
football
us all move out. Here's inside of a classroom if you wanted to know.
field. Well, that can give people information about our school, so that's not very smart, my dude. Anyway, youtube.com/CMJet. Subscribe. Watch all my videos, even though there's like only a few that I've kept because I privated all of my bad ones. Completely
The
rebranded.
entire channel? You mean? No, I'm just kidding.
No, I haven't privated all of the videos. I still have stop motion back road, which, by the way, here's a little story. Stop motion back road, that is the best stop motion that I've ever done. I did it with a Hot Wheels car, and every time that I show it to someone, they think it's an RC car. Mattel saw it and actually sent me a package of like $150 worth of stuff. Hi. And it was $150 worth of stuff. It was a Minecraft stop motion kit. This was like 2 years ago, or a year and a half ago. Minecraft stop motion kit, a bunch of Hot Wheels, a Hot Wheels set. One other thing, but I forget what it was. So it was a lot of stuff, and they just sent it all to me because I used a Hot Wheels car in it. That's my most viewed video as well.
How many views did you get on it?
I think it has 170.
Okay, so we're gonna do a Tanamangu video. Story time with DXMproductions, also fatal crash of an airplane. We got the vlog style going on.
Pretty lit. You're gonna edit this tonight?
Probably.
Alright.
Once I get around to it.
Yeah, subscribe
So
to me.
yeah, what
Subscribe to Mr. Mazzy.
are your thoughts on what happened? Was it 6-story or 3-story?
3 stories.
I've heard from Mr. King and the fire marshal saying it was 6, but I've had other people say it was 3.
It's 3. There's no 6-story buildings around here. The
So
only
it was-
6-story
it was-
building around here is the hospital.
Hey, shout out to them.
By the way, her name is Damaris Beach. If you want to go report her on all sources of,
Oh my God.
of social media, Instagram, it's like Booty Beach or something. So yeah, go report them, all of them.
Oh my
Get their
god.
accounts taken down.
So I
always think that it's cool. I always think. Okay, that's Jack Scott. I think it's always cool when something like this happens. Not like someone getting hurt, but when something happens where our school is selected out of different places. Because our school's kind of like,
it's kind of
it's the best school in the
Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video. It's my first vloggy style video. I talk with my hands, so that's a thing. Anyways, I'm behind a green screen. How does that look? Anyways, I'm going to play the clip of the airplane landing now. Okay, so that clip was oh, that looks Okay, so that clip was brought to you by DXMproductions. Channel link in the description. You saw him in the video. He got to record it. I didn't get to because we had to leave off the field. Anyways, let me know if you want more of these kinds of videos, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.